How to pay Pag-IBIG contributions for 12 months. Pay in advance through website. First, log into your virtual Pag-IBIG. Next, click the three horizontal lines. Then go to the lower part and click Pay Online under Payments. Now select Regular Savings. Select Local for membership. Now select Gcash for payment method. Now enter here your Pag-IBIG MID number. When done, click Verify. Next, enter here the amount you want to pay. This time, I'm going to pay 200 monthly. You can also pay 200 and above. In the period covered, click 12 months. So I'm going to pay from February 2023 to January 2024. The total amount due is 2,405 including the convenience fee. Now click Next to continue. Enter here your billing address and your mobile number. And also enter your email address. When done entering your details, copy the code at the box below and then click the small box to agree the terms and conditions. When done, click Next to proceed. Just review your details here. Now click Proceed to continue. Select Gcash to start the payment. Enter here your Gcash account number and then click Next. Enter here the OTP code that was sent to your mobile. Click Next when done. Next, enter here your 4-digit PIN code. Click Pay 2,405 to confirm the payment. Payment successful. You will receive a text confirmation from Gcash about the payment and Pag-IBIG contribution. You have to wait for 2 to 3 days to reflect the payment on your account. We're done. Thank you for watching.